Hey guys, before the video begins, I just wanna say something real quick. I sincerely apologize for not uploading for more than 3 years. This is the first out of 2 videos that are published this year. Now, remember the number I said. 2. Why 2? I have a movie that I am busy working on since I first got KineMaster, the video editing app. That movie contains all of the ranks for my concept game called The Mysterious Board Game of Champions. But as of right now, I am doing this video. This video is based on @HungrySam22's videos. My friend Steve Green started watching the channel in 2024, and since then, he can't stop being hungry and entertained by his videos, and neither can I since I first saw his videos in July this year. So, I made my own hunger rating. Not only you should subscribe to me, but also to Steve Green and Hungry Sam's channels as well. I also apologize that the intro is more than a minute long, but let's not waste any more time and get to the hunger ratings, their sounds, and how I describe said ratings. Here we go. Also, to avoid getting copyrighted, I put the original to their respective owners both in the description, and in the video itself.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Okay. Oh.
No! Boo, you suck!
Before I officially end the video, I've listed the audio to their respective owners. Here they are. And that's it. That's all the hunger ratings. Stay tuned for the second video in 2025, because that video is more important than this one. Again, thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the second video. This is @AlexStorm 8006, signing off. Peace.